Under the glow of a silvery moon, a feline quartet starts to croon. Soft tails sway to the bass line's hum, while purring whispers where dreams come from. Oh, moonlight pause, tiptoe through the tune, with a meow or two beneath the silver spoon. Cozy and calm, like a midnight sigh, moonlight pause, jazzing under the sky. A saxophone sighs like a whiskered breeze, piano notes dance with feline ease, brush drums patter like soft padded feet, the rhythm of life so playful, so sweet. Each note a whisker, each chord a purr, a dreamy refrain that'll make hearts stir. Oh, moonlight pause, tiptoe through the tune, with a meow or two beneath the silver spoon. Cozy and calm, like a midnight sigh, moonlight pause, jazzing under the sky. In a lounge of fur and amber light, cats croon their hearts to the velvet night. A lazy tail taps to the bass's beat, while moonlight drips through the jazzy heat. Cozy and calm, like a midnight sigh, moonlight pause, jazzing under the sky.